Hey, Revolting Man. Revolt Man. The Revolt Man. What's up, dude? There's that train. There's that train. Yep, there's that train over there. That whistle keeps blowing over there. Stock market will come up. Check it out. 20, Tulsi 20. If the Democrats run Tulsi Gabbard, I'm actually going to go vote for her. Yep, sure am. If they don't, I'm going to erase that. And I'm going to write Trump on there, just like it was on there last time. There's some idiot named Dean in your comments. You know, Revolting Man, anytime you gotta reply to somebody 3 fucking times, okay, you can just name him dumbass. Alright? Who does that shit? Right? You gotta fucking push the button that says there are 11 fucking replies and like pan down and try and figure out which fucking reply is a reply to which fucking reply. We used to mark them, re-re's. So you would have a re, and you would have a re-re, and a re-re-re, and a re-re-re. So you knew what level of reply you was on, because we was all a bunch of dumbasses. But now only Dean is a dumbass. So, boy, I had to go in some long fucking big circle to tell Dean that the problem I have with fucking Trump and tariffs is that you don't fucking implement the tariff, alright, before you subsidize the manufacturing. Right? Isn't that the way it works? It's supposed to go the other way around. You're supposed to print money. You're supposed to subsidize your manufacturing to put your people to work and to put your product on the market at a very, very competitive rate. One that your competition in what other region, country, or whatever fucking can't deal with. So that's what you gotta do first. And then you put the tariffs on, and it even makes it worse for them. But you have already started the manufacturing. Okay? So the only time that it's going to take you to hurt is the amount of time that it takes you to expand your manufacturing facilities. The more you expand your manufacturing facilities, the more you up the tariff. And eventually, it puts your competition out of fucking business, and you end up putting your people to work. See? And you end up supplying their own market. Look at that. Matt's gonna burn some of that trash and shit. Hell yeah, Matt, burn it up. Huh? I said, hell yeah, burn it up. Right on, man. So anyway, fucking Dean, what a dumbass. I mean, I don't feel like he's really a dumbass, and maybe I shouldn't have called him a dumbass, but I mean, he wanted to fucking throw insults at me and make it look like I was uneducated. I don't know shit about fucking economics, when I can't fucking remember, you know, my macroeconomics professor's name. Is fucking been 9, 10, 11 years since I fucking took macroeconomics. But I mean, he's like, you don't fucking understand tariffs. And I'm like, did you go to a fucking American university? I think Wichita, Kansas. That's a fucking center, you know, of America. In just a general macroeconomics class. I have a fucking college professor telling me what tariffs are and how they work. And that dumbass over there fucking, I don't know how he fucking thinks I don't know how they work. Tell you what, man. I told him I had time to waste, but I really don't. Well, yeah, I do. Because, see, you see, I got the big part of the fucking yard down. And did you see the backyard? Yeah, it's okay. I jacked that mower up. Look at that, man. It's electric mower. Revolt, man. It's electric mower. How fucking modern day am I, huh? I got this other one over here. It's a fucking self-propelled one, but you know, I gotta hold the camera, but this fucking thing won't pull, or it wouldn't. I gotta take that fucking screw out right there. That screw right there, and take that thing off of there. And what the fuck are you doing? You took the steering wheel off your truck? Revolt, man. What the fuck?